Welcome to the Nomadics Configuration Guide. We are going to configure external connections on the Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer. Once you have logged into your NITO device, you will land on the dashboard page that you are seeing here. Once you're ready to make your configuration changes, you will go to the Networking menu. You'll go to the Interfaces submenu and the Connectivity menu item. Once you have reached here, you will want to select an empty profile from the drop-down list. We will use the first one. You want to select it, so you click on the Select button. You'll want to give this connection a name. This is the ISP connection to the outside world, your Internet Service Provider connection. For this example, we will use Internet for the profile name. We will choose the global settings, whether we want to set a static, DHCP, PPP over Ethernet, PPTP over Ethernet, ADSL modem, ISDN, or a modem connection. For this example, we will use a static Ethernet connection. We will auto-connect on boot, so we will leave that enabled. We will not be using a failover profile, so we will not need to configure a primary or secondary failover ping IP. We will not be load balancing, so we will not have to worry about the load balance configurations or the weighing. We want to update the method so that we are sure that the configuration for the static Ethernet settings are available. We will want to select the available interfaces from the drop-down list. We will select port 5 for this example as the interface that we are setting the external connection on. We will then configure the IP address that you received from your internet service provider. For this example, we will use 192.168.110.45. We will then need to enter the default gateway as received from your ISP, 192.168.110.1 for this example. We will also enter the net mask that your ISP gave you for your connection, 255.255.255.0 for this example. We will also need to enter at least one DNS for this connection. We will use a public DNS server of 8.8.8.8. Once we have made all our configuration settings, you can click on the Save button. It will save the settings. If you want to connect to the ISP, as soon as you save your settings, you will click on the Save and Connect button. It will then connect to the internet on that interface as well. And you have now configured an external connection on your Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer.